In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 digital products that you can sell. As I had mentioned in the previous video, selling digital products is a great idea because it's almost 100% passive and there's no money upfront or inventory. You also get to keep 90% of the profits. And the first digital product is Notion templates. Notion is a productivity and a note-taking software. It offers organizational tools like task management, to-do lists, project tracking, and bookmarking. Users can create web content, embed videos, and create custom templates. You can make every type of Notion template that you can think of, and it is really easy to create these Notion templates. No one wants to spend a few hours or a day or two making these Notion templates or guides, and so people will buy the Notion templates from you because it saves them time. You can market yourself by sharing Notion tips on your social media platforms. The second digital product is ebooks. They are a fantastic way of making money using the knowledge and skills that you already have. You can share tips and tricks on something, a step-by-step guide, or just give a story of your experience. The cost of making an ebook is the time you spend creating this ebook. You should always ensure that the design of the cover of this ebook is great before putting it up for sale. This is because people are attracted by what they see. You can create an ebook from any topic, for example, how to be a content creator, how to make money online, how to do quarterly planning, and so much more topics. Most of this information is readily available, and most people want this information from one place, and an ebook is a great place to get it. You'll find that many people are willing to spend money on knowledge and skills from someone else who has that experience. The third digital product is website themes. If you have the skills of making websites or even designing websites, then this is good for you. There are a lot of new and existing services that require website templates. For example, WordPress, Webflow, and Framer. You can create website templates and sell them. You can sell these website templates on your own marketplace or on the services marketplaces. The fourth digital product is digital resumes. Resume templates and designs are always changing. There are always people looking for a new job, and there's always going to be someone who's looking for a specific design or a specific template. If they can find a resume template that fits their style, they'll definitely buy it. So you can make all sorts of resume templates and resume designs. It is easier for people to buy resume templates or resume designs rather than spend hours trying to figure out how to write their resumes. The fifth digital product is Masterclass. This is a digital course designed to help your audience learn a specific skill, and you'll be leveraging the knowledge that you already have. You can sell your masterclass on your own website, or you can upload the masterclass in platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and even Teachable. If you give people value and price your masterclass fairly, you'll get many sales and get profit from it. You can create a masterclass in any topic. It can be cooking, coding, photography, making money, investing, you name it. If you have any skill to share, you can monetize it through a masterclass. The easiest way to market and sell these digital products is through social media marketing and paid marketing. If you are interested to learn about more digital products that you can sell, you can watch it in this video. Please do subscribe, like, and you'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.